So the first topic of your second PUC is matrices, or we will say it is matrix. Matrix is a singular, matrices means it is a plural word. Students, from this matrices, you are going to get one question for 1 mark for your annual exam. One question you will get for 3 mark. Another one question you will get 5 mark. So total how many marks? 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, means total 9 marks you are going to get for your annual examination from this topic. Okay, totally you are going to get 9 marks for your annual exam from this topic. So please write it there only. Then we will start. What is the meaning of matrices, or what is matrix? That we will start. Students, observe here. Matrix is nothing but rectangular arrangement of the numbers or functions. I will repeat. Matrix is nothing but rectangular arrangement. We will arrange in a rectangular way. It may be number, it may be function. For example, if I arrange numbers in this rectangular way, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is called matrix. Or if I arrange this function, sin x, cos x, tan x, this is also matrix. Matrix is nothing but, very simple definition, it is a rectangular arrangement of, it may be number, it may be function. I hope first definition is clear. What is the meaning of the matrix? Usually students, matrices are denoted by capital letters. For example, matrix A is equals to, for example, matrix B is equals to. Like this we will denote the matrices. These are called elements of the matrices. This is element, this is element, this is element, this is element. Is equals to 102, 200, 312. This is also matrix because it is also rectangular arrangement of the numbers. Students, you can observe here one line is there, this is one line is there, this is one. These lines are horizontal lines, no? First horizontal line, second horizontal line, third horizontal line. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal lines are there. Here how many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2. 2 horizontal lines are there. Here how many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3. Remember students, these horizontal lines are called rows. R-O-W-S, not R-O-S-E. These horizontal lines are called what? Rows of the matrix. How many rows are there in this particular matrix? This is the first horizontal row. So first row I will denote R1, R2, R3. Total how many rows are there? 3 rows are there in this particular matrix. Hope it is clear. Similarly, if you observe this matrix A students, how many rows are there? कितना रो है? फटाफट बताओ. If you observe first horizontal line, this is R1. Second horizontal line, it is R2. Means there are total 2 rows are there in this particular matrix. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ rows ಹೆಂಗ್ denote ಮಾಡೋದು students? Rows means कितना horizontal lines है. How many horizontal lines adava nodri? 1, 2, 3. So rows are 3. It is not your ROSC rows. It is ROWS rows. Be careful. R1, R2, R3, 3 rows. R1, R2, 2 rows. Here how many rows? R1, R2, R3. Again 3 rows. Similarly students, some vertical lines are there. You can observe one vertical line, second vertical line, third vertical line. These vertical lines are called columns. C-O-L-U-M-N-S. These vertical lines are called column. This is first column. This is second column. This is third column. So how many columns are here? Total 3 columns are there in this matrix. I hope it is clear for everyone how to identify how many rows are there, how many columns are there. Horizontal rows, vertical columns. Move for how to find order of the matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix. Observe, my dear students, if a matrix has m rows, n columns, then order of that matrix is m by n or m cross n. I will repeat. If a matrix is having m rows, n columns, then order of that matrix is nothing but m by n or m cross n. Observe here. A is equals to, I will take the same example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me how many rows are there, how many columns are there. First, we have to talk about the rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2. 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. So order of this matrix is nothing but, we will write order here, 2 by 2 or 2 cross 2. This is the order. First element represent rows, students. Second element represent columns. First element ಏನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? rows ಅನ್ನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Second element columns ಅನ್ನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Okay. So similarly, B is equals to 1, 2, 3. What is the order of this one, my dear students? Order is nothing but rows by column. First identify करो कितना रो है? 1, 2, 3. So 3 cross. How many columns are there? 1 column. So it is 3 by 1 or 3 cross 1. 3 by 1 or 3 cross 1. Darshan, it is not 1 cross 3. First I want rows, then I want columns. Another interesting thing I will explain. See, my dear students, if you multiply number of rows into number of columns, you will get a total number of elements present in the matrix. Total number of elements present in the matrix. See here, 2 into 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Correct? 3 into 1, how much? 3. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. That is the beauty of this result. If you multiply number of rows into number of columns, what you will get? You will get a total number of elements present in the matrix. Total number of elements present in the matrix. Similarly, another example we will consider. C is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tell me, my dear students, what is the order of this matrix? Kitna row? Nothing but how many rows? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 rows into 1, 2, 3, 3 column. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, observe here. This 1 is present in which position? This 1 is there, no? It is in which position? Observe here. This element is present in first row, first column, no? What is the position of this element? This is there in the first row and first column. So can I say it is A11 position element? This element in A11, this means row, this means column. So this element present in A11 position. A11 means what? The element which is present in first row, first column. The element which is present in first row, first column. Similarly, you observe, students, this element is present in which position? This is present in first row. So A1, which column? Second column. So position of this element is A12. A12. Similarly, anybody tell me what is the position of this element? This is present in which row, which column? Yes, it is compulsory. First is always row, second is always column. Remember, in the order also, in here also, first always rows, then columns. Got it? So I want 3. 3 is present in which row? First observe the row. This is the second row. I will say it is R1, R2, it is C1, C2. What is the position of this element? This is present in second row, first column, means A21 position. A21 position. Similarly, my dear students, what is the position of this element? This element is present in the second row, second column, so it is A22. So it is A22. Hope it is clear. What is A32 element? Which element is there in A32? Observe this matrix C. Then tell me. Shailesh is telling. Shailesh, observe carefully. Third row, second column. Very good. Many answers. Third row means what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the third row. Second column kahan hai? First column, second column. So third row, second column means A element aata hai 8 number. Not 6. It is 8. Darshan, it is not 5. Observe carefully. Third row, second column. Third row means what? 1, 2, 3. Third row. Second column. This is first column. This is the second column. See where they will intersect. A32. So tell me, what is A13 element? A13 means first row, third column. I want first row as well as third column. Veena, wrong answer. Nodri, sariyagi observe madri. Yes, Dhanasri, once again observe. I want first row, third column. First nim telagirli. First row andre yavadu? This is called first row. Don't get confused. This is first row. Third column means 1, 2, 3. Which element? 3. General matrix of order 2 cross 2 I will tell. I want a matrix of order 2 cross 2, that is also general. Students, 2 cross 2 means we already familiar. How many elements will come? 2 cross 2 means total 4 elements will come. 2 cross 2 means total 4 elements will come. That 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 element I will write. Tell me which position element it is. This is A11. No, because this element belongs to first row, first column. So this element is A11. Which element it is? A12, because it is present in the first row, second column. So this element is A12. This is position here. First row is over. This is the second row. Second row, which column? First column. Next, last one. A22. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. This is the general matrix of order 2 cross. General matrix of order 2 cross 2. Suppose it is general matrix of order 3 cross 3. Tell me. कितना एलिमेंट आता है 3 क्रॉस 3 में? 9 आता है ना? 9. सो फटाफट बरी रेन बरी बोलो. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम. करेक्ट. फर्स्ट रो सेकंड which row? Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. This one is which row? First I want row. Third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. So it is A33. Understood how to write general matrix of order 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3? Bari artha aitalri ellarigu? How we can write? Simple things I am telling. No complicated things. Everything will be very, very simple. Simple I am talking here. 3 cross 3 means 9 elements will come. 9 elements means 3 into 3. So here 3, here 3 will get. So we have to write. So students, now the question will come. Sir, 2 cross 2 over 3 cross 3 over. Sir, can you tell me how to write m cross n? I want a general matrix of order m cross n, sir. Can you tell me? Students, m cross n means how many rows will come, how many columns will come? That anybody tell me? I want m cross n वाला मैट्रिक्स. कितना रो होता है, कितना कॉलम्स होता है m cross n में? m rows, n columns. So observe here how to write. Observe here. I want m rows. Yes, I want m rows. So start with first row. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. So on. First row, what is the last column? What is the last column? n. Correct? Correct or not? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. So on. First row, column number n. Next, come for the next. Which row it is? Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. So on. Second row, what is column number? n. Next, third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. So on. Third row, what is column? n. So on, students. First row, second row, third row is over. What is the last row? Last row is m, no? So mth row, first column. Mth row, second column. Mth row, third column. So on, so on. Mth row, what is the column? n. So this is the matrix of order m cross n.